scientific study of Vedas, creation of universe, starting from BRAHMAM, class 30. Today, we are going through a story of Murasura. Murasura means a demon. Asura means demon. His name is Mura. There was a demon called named Murasura. He got a boon from Brahma. The boon is, if he touches with his finger anything, that will burn away. Actually, this Murasura is the lightning and thunder, that electricity which is present in the cloud. That lightning thunder, if it touches anything, it will burn. And it will making sound, very great sound and lightning. So as per the story, he threatens the Indraloka. Indraloka means the world above us. That is, this thunder and lightning is taken place in the upper atmosphere. So in the story, it presented it as it is threatening Indra, the gods there. So in the other lokas, the lightning is taking place in the above the sky. That is why in the story it is presented in such a way that this Murasura is trying to threaten the Indra, the god there. So afraid of him, the Indra left Indraloka. And he conquered that place also, the Indraloka also. Indraloka means the space above the sky. Then at that time, there was a king on earth named Raghu. He was ruling the earth and he was engaged in that activity. So Mura decided to threaten him also. He wanted to fight with this Raghu. So he came to earth and asked this Raghu to fight with him. This king, Raghu the king. Raghu is the king, no, will not go to fight with Mura because he knows his power. As we know, the people on the earth are afraid of this lightning and thunder. They will not fight with it. They will keep away from it, try to hide from it. Or they will engage in their own duty. They will not go behind this lightning and thunder to fight with it or fight with Murasura. So the king also not ready to fight with Murasura. He said, Raghu said, we human beings are mortal. There is no meaning in fighting with like a immortal. This Murasura or Daman. You are immortal. We people are mortal things. We are simple things. There is no meaning in fighting with us. that is shameful to you. Instead, there is an immortal person there who that Yama, Lord Yama. Lord Yama means he is the Lord of death. He is responsible for the killing of all the people at the end of the life. So that is Lord is Yama. So he is immortal. So it is better you fight with him. We are simple things. There is no meaning in fighting with an immortal person like us. So this Murasura or Daman Murasura went to Yamaloka and he asked Yama to fight with him. Yama know his good, about his good. So he first approached the Shiva, Lord Shiva to help him. Shiva told him go and meet Vishnu. Vishnu is there in the Sagara, Kshira Sagara. So go and sort yourself. So this Yama, Lord Yama went to Kshira Sagara and sought the help of Vishnu. Then Vishnu told him, in any way, bring him in front of me. Bring that Daman Murasura in front of me. Then I will look after to it. So Yama came back. At that time, this Mura was waiting for that. He said, I am ready to serve you. I don't want to fight with you. Because both are Asura, like Asuras. He is also trying to kill the other persons, this Murasura. Yama, duty of Yama is also killing other people, mortal people. So both are almost alike. So I don't want to fight with you. I will serve you. But you should do one thing. There is a person there who is controlling me also. That person is Vishnu. Vishnu is there in Ksheerasagara. So you should protect me from him. Then I will serve you. Then this Murasura decided to go to Ksheerasagara and fight with the Vishnu. We know Vishnu is sitting in a wave. The wave is presented in the story as a snake, Ananda snake. Because at the time of creation and now also, there was only, at the time of creation, there was only wave. When wave combines together, two points are formed. That point, at that point, Vishnu is there. So Vishnu is throughout this universe, and there only waves and Vishnu are there at the time of creation. He is now also he is there. So these are waves, and this Murasura also went there because these are electrical waves. Thunderstorm itself is an electric current. It will flow in the form of wave also. So it can travel everywhere in the form of wave. So it reaches there also. And he invited Vishnu to fight with him. Then Vishnu said, I am ready to fight with you, but on seeing me, you are shivering now. I don't want to fight with a person who is shivering now. So this Murasura was in utter confusion. He want to know whether he is shivering now. So to test it, he put his finger or hand on his chest. The bone is, if he touches with his finger anything, it will burn away. So when he touches himself, he burn away. That was the end of Murasura. Actually, through this story, what they are saying is, actually Murasura is electricity produced in the clouds. This electricity possesses some energy, or electrons possess some energy. To spend that energy, with that energy, it will travel. And while traveling, it will spend its energy in the form of light, that is, and it will produce sound also. That is thunder and lightning. It also travels towards earth. It travels throughout the sky, making noises and light, etc. And in the upper atmosphere, it produces waves also in the Shira Sagara. Waves of electromagnetic waves also. Electricity is related with the magnetic waves also. So by which his energy is spending, and when it loses all its energy, it will come back to its starting point. Where is the starting point? From Murasura itself. When it touches his hand, it reaches the and loses its energy. That is the end of Murasura. That is the story of electricity. We know the electricity, this charge electron flows from the bottom of the cell battery. From this bottom it starts. It acquires some energy. That is why it is going away from this battery, from this bottom plate. It moves through the wire, and it produces light, sound, or anything like that. That energy is we are using in the torch or anything like that. So after spending its energy, it will reach the top of the battery. At that time, it completely get neutralized. Its energy losses. Then it travels from that top to bottom through this cell and reaches the bottom of that bottom. So it starts from here, goes through the wire, reaches at the top, and through the battery it passes and reaches at the bottom. There it gets neutralized. Its energy also become zero. Likewise, in the case of cloud, these electrons gets energy and flown in the form of thunderstorm. And it travel throughout the space wherever possible. It will go there, it will produce sound and light, everything like that. After losing its energy, it returns to its original position. Returns to its original position. That is the end of that electric flow, or that is the end of Murasura. That is presented in this Vamana Purana in a story form. The story of Murasura. Actually, through this story, the phenomena of electricity is explaining. but it is in the story form. That's all.